Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and just wanted to show a quick video, and this is sped up 10x. So Lynn is bending and cutting and making the brake lines, the ultra bend brake lines, and I have a separate video on that. Great product, works very, very well. He was showing me, you know, the wall on that is thicker than other brake lines, so it allows you to bend it, but it doesn't kink. So great product. And then you see me in a gray sweatshirt. I'm working on the engine. It's a 5.3 LS motor, and I'm using the Bristle discs by 3M, and I'm cleaning up the engine and just going over the just stripping the engine down and cleaning it up, getting ready to paint it. We're also going to sandblast the motor, but it's just part of the process of cleaning things up. So some of the videos are pretty exciting, and some of them are pretty mundane, boring, like this one, but I just want to show the entire process. So appreciate you watching, and any questions, comments, leave them below. Give us a thumbs up if it brought value, and thanks again. Catch you on the next one.